Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card using the Heirloom Boutique for this week and the Velvet Meadow Designer Series paper. Just a reminder that the Velvet Meadow paper has got that little velvet flocking on it, and it's really, really gorgeous paper. So this video, super short and sweet. A card does not have to be super fancy or really technical or detailed or anything like that. Sometimes you can just let the designer series paper do all of the work. So all I'm doing for this one is this one is on Daffodil Delight. This one is Berry Burst. I've just got a piece of the designer series paper in 5 1/4 by 4. And this is one of the sheets that was kind of an all-around design. So when I cut it up, I got some really, really interesting kind of layouts of the flowers. So again, super, super simple. All I've done is I've taken the Lots of Love from the set. I've inked it in the same color as the background, as the card base, and then just straight cut it out, angled the corners, layered it up on the same color cardstock as the card base, and I'm just adding it down. It really, really can be that simple. If you wanted to make this a happy birthday card, just change the greeting. This one I'm going to tuck right here like this in between the flowers. This one is over here because we've got some tall flowers here. And then I'm just going to add some antique pearls. I'm using the large ones. I'm just going to pop one up here. Just adding a little bit of interest. Again, still super, super simple though. Just let that DSP do all the hard work. And you've got 2 cards. It can take you like 5 minutes to make 5 cards. Like just stamp, 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 cut, 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 add everything together. So we've got our Daffodil Delight version and we've got our Berry Burst version. So thank you so much for watching this week, and I hope you've enjoyed the different cards that I have made and have been inspired by some of the techniques. So thank you very much for watching, and let's create together again soon.